How to create a mockup for your design in Canva? This is what I will show you in this video. This is a wall art design what I will put on a mockup, but if you would like to use your t-shirt design on a mockup, just please stay at the end because I will show you that one as well, how to do that. So what you want to do first, you're going to share, you scroll down a little bit and you're going to click more, and here how would you like to publish, you would like to put mockup. And as you can see here, Smart Mockups, so you click on that, you want to open it, and you want to connect, because in order to see your images on Smart Mockups, you need to connect Canva and Smart Mockups. Okay, so you can either put your email address and password, or sign in with Google. I didn't have a Smart Mockups account just yet, so what I'm gonna do, I will sign in with Google now, and okay, so I'm here, and as you can see, you have options, all mockups, technology, print, packaging, apparel, home and living, seasonal. So what I will choose print, because this will be wall art. And now I will choose frames. And also, to make this quicker, so what I will choose free. And let's check, because there is the option for pro as well, but that one you need to pay. So I will choose the portrait frames as well. And let's see which one is, because I saw before a really nice one, a bathroom one, so I'm looking for that. So might what I gonna do, because this way it went a little bit quicker. So let's see, yes, because they asked me the popular, so I'm just going for popular. I'm going for free. And yeah, that's the one I was looking for. So the bathroom, so now I can make it bigger for you. And okay, so upload from, you want to upload image. And I just will upload this one. And ta-da! Our picture is here, our mockup is ready. And thank you for staying here. So if you stayed with me, then I just show you what you can do with the t-shirt as well. So for the t-shirt design, you want to do the 4,500 times 5,400, and or in Canva 5,000 times 5,000. And I created that one as well. So now I will show you. If I go to apparel and I'm going to t-shirts, it is asking leave. So what I will show you here, I'm just going with this picture, because I tried this one and this is working really well. So I'm going for the images again, upload from, upload image. And now I change the size, so this will be the t-shirt one. And are you ready for this? So ta-da! Yes, here it is. So now we have our pictures. I just take a little bit, actually I put it back. So as you can see, sorry, it's a bit slow, my computer, I don't know what happened. So I just show you again. Hopefully it works. Okay, unresponsive, but the main thing, actually you can see the design, and this is how it looks on t-shirt. And one more thing I wanted to show you. So actually what you can do, I cannot show you properly again because it's a bit slow for now, but as you can see, there is this pencil. So if you would like to change the size of the mockup, then you can just click on the pencil. And as you can see, there is options for plus and minus. It doesn't do anything for now, some reason. And you have option for flip as well. And if it's done, then crop and continue. Because I haven't done any changes, so I just click on X now. And again, so this is how you can do mockup for your t-shirt, or for your wall art, or anything else. As I told you here, you have the technology, so we can check smartphones, desktops, laptops, tablets. You have all of them. You can do the print as I showed you before for books, magazine, cards. You can do for packaging as well, food, cosmetics, beverages, supplements, bags and boxes. You can do for home and living, like mugs, pillows, candles. You can do seasonal, like New Year, St. Patrick's Day, Halloween, Christmas, Valentine, Easter, Children's Day, Mother's Day. So actually you have a lot of options, and you can do this way as well. You just only thing you need to do, as I mentioned, you just need to connect Canva and Smart Mockups together. If you like this video, then feel free to give a like, and also if you would like to see similar videos like this, then please feel free to subscribe to my channel Reni Creative. And also if you would like to see how to create a mockup in different sites like on Placeit, then please tap on the screen and check out this video where I talk about that. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely afternoon. See you. Bye.